All right, we got a 2014 GMC Sierra 2500. Back to my addiction. I have an addiction, you know, and I'm just addicted to these HDs. I really am. I just like to buy them and part them, yeah, I know, for some reason. I know why, because I make money on them. It's no beaut. It's got no body parts on it, but it's got one thing that I like. That's that mileage, you know. Right there's a nice airbag. Got 58,000 right miles on it. It's just pretty much a plain Jane old work truck. It's a 410 truck. It has 410 front and rears. Most of these are 373s. It's got the 6-liter in it. It's a good 6-liter with the LS3 heads. And we'll keep you posted.